Yo, where's the food at? That's what I'm wondering.
Yeah, for real, like, where they at?
Yo, is that oven? Man, be quiet!
Hey, what you say?
You heard me.
I cook food better than you.
What? Did you hear this fool?
Yeah, I did. Oven, be quiet, bro. Don't make me push my buttons.
What? What button?
You do not cook food better than me.
Yeah, I do. I'm hotter.
Hey, that's not true. I heat up food faster than you. I can get up to 500 degrees. What about you? I bet you can't do that. If that's the case, then why do I get picked more than you?
You don't.
Yeah, I do. Why did they come for me for Hot Pockets, pizza rolls, burritos, maruchan? And also, when there's leftovers and they need to reheat, who do they come to, huh?
Oh, so you want to go there? You really want to go there?
Well, who comes to me wherever they want to bake cupcakes, a cake, turkey, pizzas too? You know, pizzas can still be in me.
Pizzas? If that's the case, then why was that leftover Little Caesars inside of me the other day?
Look, can you make cupcakes? I bet you can. Cake? Talk to me when you can make a single piece of cake. Yeah, I bet you can't.
Look, dude, I want to leave this place.
Trust me, Pot. Same, I do.
I think we all do, guys. Why do they always put us here? We're not meant to be in here.
That's what I'm saying. There's gotta be a way out, right?
Yeah, but how?